J's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to make for you pork ribs with a lot of herbs. I'll walk you through while I go. These are my herbs. I have sage, thyme, and rosemary here. I'm going to cut these up real small. These are from my garden. I have a lot of herbs out there. I have to use them up. To get them finer. It smells so good. Also, I'm gonna add some basil. Okay, that's it. It's a lot of herbs. In here I have some ginger. I'm gonna add this to it. It's like a herbs garden ribs. Okay. In here I have garlic. I have garlic in here and some fennel, which gonna just stays at the bottom. I'm gonna cut these. Let me see. I want to find the bone. This is just gonna go like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my rub together. Let me take this. Should move this one first. Now my hand is clean. In here I have salt and pepper. I'm adding some coriander. I'm just eyeballing everything. Mrs. Dash. A little garlic powder. Even though I'm using garlic, the garlic powder have a different flavor. Use both. That's fine. I already have salt and pepper. I'm going to mix this together. Also, I'm going to just add it to the ginger and the herbs. Then I'm going to add in soy sauce. Rishaya. This is very salty. We have to be careful. You know, pork loves salt. adding some apple cider vinegar. It smells so good. That's it. Let me put my stove on. 425 to start with, then I'm gonna lower it. Where is my cover? Oh, come on. I'm gonna get in there. Smells so good already. You know what I did want? Some paprika. Okay, let me get it for color. Got my paprika. To have that pretty color. The ginger, oh, together with the herbs. Oh my God. Okay, let's get in there with both hands. Rub this. I'm gonna cover with foil and pop these in the oven, and then I'm gonna come right back as soon as it's ready. Okay guys, let me see what's going on here. Definitely need some more time. It smells so good. It's yummy. It's almost there. Just gonna turn it over. Maybe another 20 minutes and we will be done. I'm gonna pop this back in the oven. Smells yummy. See you back here in 20 minutes. Okay guys, all done. I'm gonna put these under the grill to get some color. The broiler. Just one side to get that color, like we take it off the grill. Okay. And I'm gonna make some sauce with this. Watch this. Ooh, can go real fast. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, we're done. We're all done. Turn this off. See? So I'm gonna get me some gravy. This over here. This over here. I need some water. Garlic. Rich gravy. And I had a little ketchup. And a little Hoisin sauce. And we're gonna add a little butter. Okay, I'll catch you back right here. Let's let this cook. And then I'm gonna add some butter. Okay, I'm gonna add some butter. Take it off and eat. in this butter. You see? Butter make it better. Look at this gravy. Taste. Wow. That is so good. I'm gonna plate and come right back. Here we go, guys. This is my herbs baked barbecue ribs. Not barbecue, herbs. Herbs. Guys, while you're watching, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, guys, thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Take care. Have a great day or night wherever you are. God bless you again. Bye-bye.